Video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Supabase database using Dbeaver, which is an open source database tool that allows you to connect to multiple databases. In this case, I'm going to use it to connect to Supabase. So this is my current Supabase database. The first thing you need to do is make sure you set up a password. So if you go to database, then go to settings, reset database password. If you've already done this, then you don't need to reset it, but this is the first time I'm actually going to set a password. So you can set here generate a password. It will automatically generate a password. Just copy that, select reset password, and this is the password that you need to use in Dbeaver. Now I'm going to show you Dbeaver. So just click on the plus icon here, select PostgreSQL, select next. Now in here, what you've got to do is you've got to match the settings that is in your Supabase database. To find out where these settings are is if you click on connect, then go direct. Now this one seems to work a lot better. Session pooler. It's got all the configuration here. So just copy each one and put it in. So I'm just gonna put in the host. Database. Which is the same one. And then the username. So the only ones you need to probably copy are the host and the username. So once you've got that in, enter the password. So this is the password that you generated previously. Click on finish. Let's see if this works. Connect. And there we go. It worked. Now if it doesn't work and then it complains about an SSL, you may need to configure an SSL certificate under here, under SSL, but in this case I didn't need to. Okay, so that worked. So then when you go into your database, you select Postgres, select tools and select backup, then select all, click on next. Just give it a name and a folder. So I'm just going to give that name and then click on start. It's going to go through and start dumping the tables, and there you go, it's completed. Then you just got to go into your folder and check whether it has backed up. I hope this video helped. If you did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.